মই আপোনাৰ অসমত 1996 পৰা আপোনাৰ ট্ৰাইবেল ভাষা ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰি আছোঁ। প্ৰথম মই আপোনাৰ টাইফাকে টাই আইটন ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰি আছোঁ। সেইকাৰণে মই আপোনাৰ টাই আহোম ভাষা ৰিচাৰ্চ was wanting to do, কিন্তু মোৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ড মোৰ বন্ধু আপোনাৰ ডাঙৰীয়া অতুল বৰগোহাঁইন recommend me to learn Thai language in Nampake village first. তাৰপিছত মই 1996 পৰা ট্ৰাইবেল ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰি আছোঁ। আপোনাৰ টাই ভাষা, চিংফো ভাষা আৰু টাংচা নাগা ভাষা। মই আপোনাৰ অসমীয়া ভাষা অলপ জানো, কিন্তু maybe I can speak some words in English and you can translate. No. So, first of all, your Thai Ahom people have preserved many aspects of your culture and your history, and for me, most important is the Thai Ahom manuscripts, the putti, the many books which have been nicely preserved in villages in all parts of Upper Assam. Between 2011 and 2015, I was fortunate to be involved in a research project to document, to archive photographs, good quality photographs of many Thai Ahom manuscripts. Two assistants, Poppy Gogoi and Medini Mohan, did a great deal of work, and these photographs of manuscripts, nearly 20,000 pages, now available in the British Library. So you have preserved your manuscripts, and inside them all of this information about the history and culture of Thai Ahom. But it is difficult to read the manuscripts because the writing system is not as we write today, but the same word, the same written word can have 10 or 15 different meanings, and you will only discover the meaning by carefully understanding the context. So, a very important task for research on Thai Bhaha is to study these manuscripts more deeply, to work on making dictionary, and I have been doing that, and we have online Ahom dictionary, and in the coming days I'll be meeting to discuss more how we can advance this dictionary in the future. But you have also preserved, I should say, the history of making dictionaries in Assam begins with the Boramra. The Boramra, which is created 250 years ago, is the first dictionary, the first attempt, the first example of translating words from one language to another. This innovation, this brilliant idea of the Thai Ahom community to preserve their language has begun a history of studying language here that previously was not there. You have also preserved your traditional practices but updated them. So this Medamepi that we see today clearly has its long roots in history, as Otul Bolohain has demonstrated in good detail, but it is now a festival for the present time, because you make it something that is important for your community now. Otherwise, so many people will not gather here today. So I am very delighted to be here and join you to celebrate this Medamepi. For many years I have attended Medamepi and observed the way in which the Thai language is being used in the prayers. Chao Nuru, Chao Kaoi, we all know, and many other things. And these traditions, they are in the old manuscripts. These words are also found. So this culture that we are celebrating today has a history that can be demonstrated. Also, I am observing something. I know that when the Thai Ahom arrived here, they gave to this country the name of Mungdun Sun Kham, the Golden Land. And here I have been presented these beautiful golden clothes, and everywhere I can see people wearing gold, and that is a clear indication of the way in which you are continuing your culture, bringing these events into the modern era. So I would say more, but I will say one more thing, if I may. So your Thai Ahom script now today you can use in your mobile phone. You can send a message. Yes? Okay. Good. Can you summarize what I already said?
No, it will be impossible.
Too impossible. Yeah, okay. Then from now, let's discuss. So, good plan. So, due to bringing the Ahom script into Unicode, it's called, we can now write Ahom in mobile phone on Facebook.
আমাৰ ছাৰে কৈছে ষ্টিফেন মোৰে ছাৰে যে আমাৰ যেহেতু আহোম ভাষাটো মানে গুগল যিখন কিবোৰ্ড আছে সেই কিবোৰ্ডখনত ইউনিকোডত যেহেতু আহি গৈছে তো আমি সকলোৱে সেই ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব পাৰিম মানে আমাৰ কিবোৰ্ডতে আপোনালোকে উলিয়াব পাৰিব ডাউনলোড কৰি আমাৰ টাই ভাষাটো টাইপ কৰিব পাৰিব তেওঁ সেইটো ক'ব বিচাৰিছে
And for the new generation, this mobile phone is very important. I see many here. So this will give you an opportunity to continue the revival of your language by writing in phone using Unicode.
আৰু নতুন প্ৰজন্মৰ কাৰণে এটা মানে সুবিধা আছে নতুন প্ৰজন্মই যেহেতু মোবাইল ফোনছবোৰ ইউজ কৰিবলৈ ভালদৰে জানে আৰু বহুতখিনি ছফটৱেৰ ইউজ কৰিব জানে মানে এক্সপাৰ্ট হয় বহুতখিনি ক্ষেত্ৰত তো তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে বিশেষ সুবিধা হ'ব আমাৰ যোনটো ইউনিকোডত যোনটো কিবোৰ্ড যি গুগল কিপেড আছে তাত তেওঁলোকে আমাৰ আহোম ভাষাটো তেওঁলোকে ইজিলি টাইপ কৰিব পাৰিব আৰু ইউজ কৰিব পাৰিব তেওঁ সেইটো ক'ব বিচাৰিছে